Today, I will talk about medical image modalities. First, I will talk about part 1. Part 1 is about X-ray and CT. The aim of medical image is get the visualization of internal organs, tissues, and so on. There are major two types of medical images. One is can get a 2D signal, fxy. X and y are the coordinates of the image. F is the value or the pixel value of the image. If it's a 3D image, such as CT and MRI, we got a 3D images. The X, Y, Z here are the coordinates in 3D space. So f, x, y, z is the value of the works. In 2D images, we call the pix, but in 3D image, we call the vox. So we know in the past, we already have many image technologies, include projection, X-ray, generally called radiographic. The second is X-ray computed tomography. It can be CT. Another is called ultrasound image. Beside the ultrasound image, also we have MRI. MRI image. Also we have different other images called nuclear medicine, include SPECT and PET. So based on the energy sources they used to perform the image, we can classify this kind of medical image modality into different types. We have 3 energy sources. For example, external energy. That means the energy to perform the image majorly is from outside. Also, there is some internal energy. That's the image energy is from the outside, such as SPECT and PET. Besides, they purely use external energy or internal energy. Also, we use combined energy. This combined energy majorly used in MRI. In fact, we have a figure to show the medical image modalities. That's based on the source of energy used for image. We can classify internal, and combination. For external, we show here there is X-ray radiographic, X-ray mammograph, X-ray CT, and also ultrasound image. Okay, that means we need to use outside energy to activate the inter organ or tissue to get the image. If it's the internal image modality, that means the energy to activate the image is from inside. Okay, it's not the human being to put some energy there. Okay, for example, there is a SPECT and also there is a PET. But sometimes also I talk about just now, there is a combination, internal and internal. That's MRI. Also there is optical fluorescence image, this kind of stuff. Okay, that's the classification of the medical image modality. That's based on the source of energy used for imaging. Let's first talk about the X-ray image. I think everybody here know the X-ray image. When I first know the medical image, that's also X-ray images. X-ray was first discovered in 1895, okay, by this guy. This guy was won the Nobel Prize in 1901 for his achievement. This discovery caused worldwide excitement, especially in the field of medicine, because in some times ago, the human people cannot see inside the human body from outside. But now we have X-ray. X-ray can penetrate the human body and get the image inside the human body. That means now everybody knows how to get structure and function of the human body just by X-ray. Only speaking, today perhaps we are not surprised, but at that time it's very surprised achievement. The basic physics behind the X-ray is very simple. When fast electrons interact with metal objects, they will create X-ray. That's the basic idea. Now, let's see, in order to generate X-ray, what we need to do. The first things, electrons will be accelerated by high voltage. Okay? After that, the high voltage will accelerate electrons. Then the fast moving electrons, they will interact with metal objects, emit some metal objects, then hit some metal objects. Then the X-ray radiation will be generated. In fact, in this processing, only 1% kinetic energy of the electrons will be used to generate X radiation. What are the 99% of the kinetic energy going? It's converted into heat. Okay, so that's the basic physics behind X-ray. Let's see the figure. This just shows the X tube. Okay, just show the basic idea of the X tube. As I just explained, okay, we have a heated filament. Okay, so you see here we have some electricity to collect this heated filament to create the electrons. How to make this kind of electrons to escape the filament? We must heat it, okay? Because you guys know if you heat it, they will